Hi friends, and welcome to Story Time with Little Miss Kathy. Today we have a story called Little Blue Truck, and it's by Alice Schertle and Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds that I've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, he said to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said the piggy, beep went blue. Cluck said the chicken and her chick went peep. Maa said goat and blue went beep. No said horse and quack said duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck. Coming through. I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump truck around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump truck, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard and nobody cared. I think it's because he was so mean to the other animals before. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh no. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that, beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at the gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, and of course, the hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everyone pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on helping hands from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ah, moo, clack, beep, neigh, croak, meh. Beep, beep, beep. The end. So friends, I hope you guys are like Blue and always help your friends out whenever you can. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that story, and until next time, remember, stay amazing! Mwah!